Hello, my fellow YouTubians. Today I present to you another video with your girl, Queen Cheyenne. For those who have been with me from the very beginning, we focus on health, homemade natural products, marriage advice, positivity, and love. So stay tuned in for great information, superior advice, or tutorials that will make you better. Hey YouTube, back to another video with Queen Cheyenne. My son came to me and said he wanted a late night snack and we decided on egg rolls. So today I'm going to show you my recipe on how I make them. Stay tuned. Next, you want to prepare your cabbage. I have a pre-made coleslaw mix brought from the store. You can certainly buy a whole cabbage head and cut your own carrots and create your own. Your preference. Alright, now these bad babies are cooking. I'm going to give them a quick stir. They smell real good. Now it's time to add the cabbage in. Alright, it's cooked down the way that I like it at this point. This is where you add in your seasonings, okay? Alright, so here we have it, our cooked cabbage and sausage mix. Alright, this is your egg roll wrap. It is very important to set it up in a diamond shape where you have 2 points. Your 2 points, one pointing up and one pointing down. Diamond shape, very important. Alright, so one more time. Get your mix. You're going to put it towards the bottom. Bottom side up, bring your sides in, nice and easy, you don't want it to rip. Fold down, wet your fingers to close it up, bring your egg roll in, just like that, okay? I'll show you one more time. Diamond shape it, get your mix, bring it towards the bottom. Sausages in there. Yum, yum. Fold towards the bottom. Actually, I'm going to bring it down a little bit more. Fold towards the bottom. Come in from the side. Come in from that side. Roll a baby up. Get some water to seal it. Keep rolling it. Egg roll. Alright, this is what your completed egg roll should look like. Like I said, it's just a late night snack for me. But this is what they are. I'm going to go ahead and put mine in the air fryer because I don't feel like frying, but you most certainly can fry them up. Put mine in the air fryer and I'll come back and let you see what they look like. So I did brush the top of these with olive oil. That worked out for me well. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you liked any of the intro and outro beats used in this video, my husband produced them for me. I have links to the beats in the description if you would like to check out his channel or hear new sounds. As always, if you loved this video, please like and subscribe to my channel to stay alert for new content. Support your girl, please. I have my social media listed below. Thank you. Bye.